Let's unveiling the Prestige Iris Plus Mixer Grinder. The mixer grinder boasts an appealing and stylish design, featuring 3-speed controls and a pulse function for precision. A 750W motor for exceptional power and performance, equipped with an overload protection button for added safety, rubber pads for enhanced grip, which preventing the grinder from slipping on surfaces. Includes 3 stainless steel jars and a transparent juicer jar. Comes with stainless steel chutney jar 300 milliliters with blade. SS dry jar 1 LTR with blade. SS wet jar 1.5 LTR with blade. Transparent 1.5 LTR plastic juicer jar with blades. And a built-in net for efficient seed and peel separation, equipped with super efficient blades. Ergonomically designed handles for better grip and durability. Bring home the Prestige Iris Plus Mixer Grinder, your most versatile partner kitchen. Product link is in the bio.